Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am going to work on my vintage embroidery page, but what I'm doing is I've chain stitched this vine and then I've whipped it with the Appleton wool. So that part's done, and now I'm just going back in and beading little sprigs coming off. But what I thought was, where I'd done them down here, they were a bit far apart, so I'm going in and putting another little sprig in between. So I've only got that little bit down there to do now, and then I'm going to do some little ribbon embroidery leaves coming off the ends. So that's the plan for that one. But what I thought is, on my cover, which I haven't worked on for ages, is do the same. So under here somewhere I had a piece of wool somewhere. Where did that go? Oh, there it is. It's stuck on the back. So I'm going to do the same thing on that green, sort of spraying into the yellow. And in hindsight, what I should have done was not do, where did my needle thread go? Not do the pieces so small, but you live and learn. So now I've just got to find my needle threader somewhere. I don't know if it's in here, I don't know where it is. Could be anywhere. Shall we try it without it? See how we go. So this will probably be filmed in two parts, because it is Tuesday morning and I have to go to work. So but I might take it because I can do some in the car. But I've drawn on a rough sort of sketch of where I want to go. So I'm just going to do chain stitch all the way and then whip it the same as the other page. I feel like that's gone through. It's a bit nasty, isn't it? A little bit. Let's try that again. I think I caught a bit of the thread. Pull that bit out. There we go. But we've got a new prompt coming up, I think tomorrow night. And I'm so far behind, but you know. Let's try that again without catching anything. That's better. I haven't even started the love prompt yet. Don't know what I'm going to do for that. Love and hearts, I think it was. And I think that was on a yellow page. I haven't done any more on my orange page. I need to make that beaded spider, because I did have a look at work and we didn't have any spider charms. Mind you, it's coming into Halloween, so we might get something. I'll have to have another look. So that's where I'm up to. But I will film the second part of this video maybe tonight when I get home. We'll see how I'm feeling. Chances are the feeling might be tired, so, but we will see. I've got my door open and a van's just pulled up outside, so it may be a bit noisy. We've got a heat wave coming through, which I'm not looking forward to, because I don't do the heat very well at all. So I'm not looking forward to that in the slightest. That's at the end of the week. But yes. Where is it? Pulled it a bit hard now, that one's gone too. What do I do? Okay, I'm going to have to pull that one out. What have I done? Okay. Should be able to save that now. You can probably hear the engine running in that van. There we go. Saved it. What else has been happening? I've had my 3 days off, which was nice. Just goes way too fast. Way too fast. I'm keen to see what the new prompt is. It's going to be, they normally release it about, I don't know, 11 o'clock Australia time. So that'll be tomorrow night. So whether I see it tomorrow night or Thursday morning, I don't know. And on the Facebook group, seeing everybody's ideas is lots of fun. I'll just go to the end of this little branch, or yeah, I suppose it's a branch, and then I'll jump over and show you do some of the beading. So twisted, so I'll go in through there. Go that way. I love this Appleton wool, it's so nice. I've got some more colours coming, so they should be here this week sometime. I'll show you those when they arrive. So we went up shopping yesterday, and a few weeks ago when we went, my daughter had her eye on this old antique chair, and it just happened to still be there. So if you'd have been watching us try and get it in the car, you would have been in fits. But anyway, we got it in and we brought it home, and she's going to be restoring it. So yes, right, I'll pop that in there so you can see what I'm going to do with that. We're going to do these all the way up and then bead it the same as that one. So that's the cover. Now this one here, I'm just adding more beads into those gaps because I thought they were excuse me, a little bit far apart. Now where did my little beading needle go? Where are you? Oh, there, where I put it. Now this is going to be a challenge. Where's the, there it is. I watch some people thread their needles, and boy, they are so good. Takes me forever and a day. There we go. Okie dokie. Got my little bead bowl. Now I'm going to add some more coming out of here. So how I do it is bring my needle up, add 3, shorter, then put it in the direction I want it to go and back down. Then to secure it, I come back out up between the first and second beads and go through it again, just those second 2. And then lock it in. here. Pick up my 3. If I can. Down through there. And back through the 2. But I think I will leave it at that for you for today. I'm going to go to work, and when I come home I'll do a little bit more and show you where I'm up to. So I will see you all again soon. Bye. Okay, so I have finished putting in all the beads down the vines on this one, and I've done, let me zoom you down, I've done some ribbon embroidery leaves on the end of that spray, and I'm going to do some down here and up on these two, oh not that one but that one. So that one there is coming along, so that's that. And then I finished doing, where did that piece go? This is my cover. I'll go back out again. Okay, so I've done the chain stitch all the way up, and then I'm just up to whipping that last little bit on there. So that's using the Appleton wool. So that's it from me today. I will leave it there, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.